Hello friends, welcome to another edition of Java programming. This is our topic in array, and in this topic we are going to learn how to write into the array and how to read elements from an existing array. In my last topic, that is Introduction to Array Part 1, I taught you what is an array, what are the different components of an array, how to declare an array. With examples, I taught you how to declare and allocate space at the same time, how to initialize an array, how to find the size or length of the array, and if you try to access any element that is beyond the range, then I told you that you will come or you will encounter an error called array index out of bounds exception. Then I told you about advantages of arrays, and I told you there is only one disadvantage, that is array is static. The size is fixed. In today's topic, we will declare an array, we will allocate space, then we will write to the array, and then we will read the elements that we have already stored into the array. So, this is the algorithm for writing to the array. Declare and allocate space to array, find length, start a simple loop, any loop, whether it is do while, for would be better. That will go from 0 to 1 less than the array size. Then you ask inside the loop body the data and you store it one by one at different index. First 0, then 1 and so on till array length minus 1. Now this is the algorithm for reading the array. First you create the array, then you find the length, then you start a loop that will start from 0 to 1 less than array size. Then you will print the elements from 0 index to array length minus 1, or it can be reverse also from the other end, that is array length minus 1 to 0. Now let us go to this BlueJ window where I have written the code already. I need to write to the array. For this I have imported what? util.scanner. Import java.util.scanner. This is the class name, this is the method name. I have created an object of the scanner class. Okay, now this is the comment. Here what am I doing? I am writing to the array, for which you need to declare the array and you have to allocate space to the array. Then you need to find the array length. Array name, you don't have to give box bracket here, only just the name dot length. This will do the work, it will find out the size. Then you're printing this message once, enter 10 elements, and then you will run a loop that will go 10 times, and I value is what right now? 0. 0 is less than L, yes, L is 10, so it is less, it will go inside, and ARR of 0, it will enter an integer. From here it will go to this part. I would be plus 1, it was 0, so here plus 1 means 1. 1 is less than L, yes, so at I index, that is 1 index, it will enter another integer, and this way till 9 it will enter all the elements. After that you are printing what? Another message, that is array elements are. This is one time message and all the data are getting printed in this block. you have to access all the elements of the array. So I is 0, I less than L, I plus plus. From left to right we are reading. Okay, so system.out.println arr of I, whatever you have at index 0, that is getting printed. After that backslash t, this is, skip sequence. This will print a gap in between elements, and because of print it will print in the same line, right? So the first element is getting printed, then it is going here. I is 1 is less than L, yes. Then you are printing in the same line whatever you have in arr of 1, then again a gap, and this way all the elements are getting printed, right? So this is the code we have written. Let us compile. Okay, compilation I have done. So now let me run the program. Enter 10 elements. So I'm going to give what? Any random numbers you can give. So this message is getting printed one time before the data entry, and this 10 elements you have entered. After that the message is getting printed. Okay, and these are the different data that you stored in this array arr. You are printing at 0 index what you had, then backslash t, then in arr of 1 what you had, you printed that. This way all the elements are getting printed. I hope you have understood this topic. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep watching and keep learning, and of course do subscribe for all my upcoming videos. Thank you so much.